Has anyone ever gotten mad at you for advice that you've given?
Yes. Almost every day on YouTube.
How do you work through that? I mean, that never really occurred to me until just now, Jason, because we do know each other so well. And I have the benefit, like the people who work with you and who go through your masterclass, of knowing that you're trustworthy. So I don't get mad when you say, no, this is a bad investment. How do you handle it when people say that they are mad at you because of it?
First off, I don't understand that mindset. When people get mad at me for they ask me for my advice, and I'm going to give them my advice. I don't understand that.
Right.
If they didn't ask me for my advice, and let's say it's just because all the videos we do on YouTube are requested by viewers.
Right.
So let's say they weren't the one that requested the video, but they own the stock that I talk negatively about.
Now it's personal.
Now it's personal to them, which again, I've never understood, because even though I view these as long-term holdable assets, I don't have sentimental value to any stock or any company I own.
Right.
Even my own, frankly, I don't have any sentimental value, although it would suck if things kind of crash tomorrow. I don't hold. I would figure something out and do something else.
Okay.
So I don't understand that mindset. But how do I deal with that? Typically, and this probably won't surprise you, logically.
Yeah, makes sense.
And I say, hey, and this is legitimately what I've written word for word on several people, saying I was wrong about investment, or I hope you're wrong, or something like that. And I said, truly, I hope I am wrong. I don't want any business to fail. I don't want any stock to go down. I don't short sell ever. So I don't benefit from this. I'm just going based on what I require for the investment portfolios I manage. I'm giving you my thoughts on this because this was requested by a viewer. So I do it logically. How do I deal with that emotionally? It used to bother me. It doesn't anymore. I don't know if it's because of time and experience. I don't know what it is. It used to really bother me because I'm a pretty likable person.
Yeah, you are very approachable. Yeah.
And I'm very approachable. I try to be very kind, very nice to literally everybody I talk to, even if they're rude or mean to me.
Sure.
So I used to take it really personally. I don't anymore, because I realize now, again, I don't know if the experience thing, I don't know what it is, that people, if they own something, this is whatever it is, if they own anything, most people get sentimentally attached to things, whether that's a stock, whether that's whatever it is. I don't know why that is, but I don't. So that's another reason I get over it, is this person is we're just wired differently. And so I don't take it personally. I usually actually, when I see a comment like that, I forward it to my team and have a smile on my face like this, and add it to our hater pile.
You know what you should do? You should totally create on your website a hater wall.
I have done a video on YouTube about some of the haters before, and this was like more serious stuff, like not people just disagreeing with me, like people. One person literally. This was years ago when I did still take stuff personally, and when I didn't know anything about online marketing.
Yeah.
I was marketing my own book on my own website, and somebody told me to go kill myself.
Oh my God.
because I was the devil or something like that for promoting my own book on my own website. I took that personally because, again, that was years ago. But I don't anymore. Yeah. So, but I did make a video about some of the haters we've had before. So
I bet that was funny.
I'll probably do another one at some point.
There you go. I bet that was funny. Well,
Critical Thinking has another comment. Sorry.
Oh, yes, please. Yeah, I was going to say, look at the comments. I think that wraps up my questions for now.
Yeah, Critical Thinking has another comment. My rule is only gamble 5 to 10% on meme stocks. I would say, yeah, if you're comfortable losing that money, that makes sense.
Good rule. I like it. And it's a nice, modest number.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, if it was like 50, 75%.
Yeah, maybe we should stop.